Today we're going to change the drive belt on a Husqvarna K760 Disc Cutter. First of all, using a 13mm hex socket spanner, turn the spanner anti-clockwise to slacken the bolts. To release the belt tension, use a torx spanner to turn the tensioning screw anti-clockwise. This will reduce the tension on the belt. This can be seen through the window. You can then remove one of the bolts holding the arm on. Next, squeeze the clip on the hose and slide the hose off from the connector. Then, while supporting the blade guard with one hand, remove the remaining bolt with a hex socket spanner. Slide the belt guard off and free the belt from the pulley. Unscrew the bolt at the bottom and the side of the side cover using a torx spanner. Then remove the cover to reveal the clutch and free the belt. Check the belt inside and out for wear and cracks. To add the new belt, place the belt and the side guard into position, ensuring the belt fits into the grooves of the pulley. Secure the side guard screws using the torx spanner. Place the belt guard back into position and feed the belt around the pulley. Slide the belt cover into place and relocate the bolts, loosely tightening. Adjust the belt tensioning screw. To get the correct tension, ensure the nut is located between the two guide lines. Then, tighten the bolts with a 13mm hex socket spanner. That's how you change the drive belt on a Husqvarna K760 Disc Cutter. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.